At this time, it is my pleasure to introduce to you today's guest speaker, First Sergeant Jose Hernandez. First Sergeant Jose Hernandez was born in Medellin, Colombia, and migrated to the United States in 1999. He enlisted in the New York Army National Guard on July 27, 2006, as a 52 Delta power generator mechanical repair, now known as the 91 Delta MOS. He completed basic training at Fort Jackson, South Carolina in September 2006 with his first duty assignment in New York at the 27th Finance Company. He started his recruiter career in New York in Alpha Company as an ADOS in 2007, then became a correctional officer at the Federal Bureau of Prisons. He realized his passion for recruiting and officially became a recruiting and retention NCO in 2010. He completed numerous missions, serving as a station leader, assistant section chief, and section chief in Brooklyn and Queens, and currently serves as the Alpha Company's First Sergeant for the Recruiting and Retention Battalion. First Sergeant Hernandez's list of achievements is a testament to his dedication and hard work. His military education, which includes training as a power generator, mechanical repair specialist, motor transport operator, recruiting and retention NCO, and his completion of Advanced Leadership Course, 79 Tango Conversion Course, Senior Leaders Course, Master Leaders Course, and Master Fitness courses reflect his relentless pursuit of excellence. He is currently enrolled in the Sergeant Major's Academy. His civilian education is equally impressive with an associate's degree in applied science and electronics engineering, a bachelor's degree in management, and a master's degree in science management from the New York Excelsior University. First Sergeant Hernandez's life outside of the military is equally rich and fulfilling. He resides in Farmingdale, New York, with his wife Monica and their two cats, Francesca and Junior. Ladies and gentlemen, First Sergeant Hernandez.
Good morning, everyone. I'm First Sergeant Hernandez from the New Army National Guard, Alpha Company, Recruiting Retention Battalion. I want to begin by expressing my gratitude to my leadership, Lieutenant Colonel Heinroth, Command Sergeant Major Richardson, for allowing me to speak with you all today. Also to Master Sergeant Holt and his leadership, Lieutenant Colonel Ferguson, for facilitating me to be here today. Today we gather to celebrate a significant achievement, successfully completing the SQI4 course. This is not just a milestone, but a testament to your hard work, dedication, and perseverance. Each of you have demonstrated an unwavering commitment to excellence, and for that, you should be immensely proud. First and foremost, congratulations to all the graduates. You have navigated a rigorous training program and emerged victorious. Your commitment to excellence and relentless pursuit of mastery not only prepare you for the challenges ahead, but also set a new standard for those who will follow in your footsteps. I truly appreciate your unwavering dedication and the sacrifices you have made along the way. I was in one of those chairs 14 years ago. Your journey was not easy, but your resilience and determination led you to this proud moment. You're now equipped with the skills and knowledge to lead and inspire others. And I have no doubt that you will make a significant impact in your new roles as recruiters. As we celebrate your accomplishment today, let us take a moment to acknowledge the invaluable support of your families, friends, and mentors who have been alongside you every step of the way. Their encouragement and belief in your potential have played a vital role in your success, and we owe them a debt of gratitude. To kick off our discussion today, I would like to share a quote that resonates deeply with our journey ahead. The strength of the team is each member. The strength of each member is the team. This powerful statement by Phil Jackson encapsulates the nature of what will be discussed today: resilience and commitment in recruiting. Understanding resilience. Resilience is our ability to bounce back from challenges, adapt to stress, and continue moving forward despite adversity. In our military context, resilience means not just enduring hardships, but thriving within them. Consider those soldiers who face the most challenging battles, both in combat and personal struggles, but emerge stronger than ever. This is the kind of resilience we must embody as our recruiters and NCOs. Your role will come with challenges, from reaching quotas for connecting with potential recruits, but this resilience that we carry you through is the more important. Commitment to the mission. Equally important is our commitment to the mission. Your unwavering dedication will be the beacon that guides your future recruiters and your new roles. You will be the face of the Army, tasked with building trust and credibility among recruits. Your commitment means going beyond the call of duty to inspire and guide those who look up to you. I would like to share some practical tips for building resilience and commitment. One of them would be mental resilience. Developing a mental resilience can involve techniques such as mindfulness and stress management to maintain a positive mindset, concentrate on what you can control, and learn from every experience. Physical resilience. Physical fitness is crucial. It is not just about being in shape, but about having the stamina to persevere through your long days and demanding tasks. Take care of your body as your more valuable asset. Emotional resilience. Building a strong support network is vital. Lean on your fellow soldiers, mentors, and family, and don't hesitate to seek help when it's needed. Emotional resilience is also about maintaining balance between work and personal life. Commitment strategies. Set clear goals and stay motivated by reflecting why you choose this path. Lead by example and inspire others with your dedication. Celebrate small victories, the way, and your momentum keeping going. Lastly, I would like to share with you the hand and its 5 fingers analogy that my company commander, Major Dosa, mentioned to me all the time. This analogy represents the importance of unity, collaboration, and unique contribution to each part of the whole. Each finger has its own role and ability, yet the cooperation to all fingers allows the hand to function effectively. So let's break it down. So you have the thumb, which represents the strength and support. It is essential for the grip and shows how foundational elements are crucial for the stability. The index finger symbolizes direction and leadership. It points the way, guiding and making decisions. The middle finger, often the longest, the middle finger represents balance and responsibility, which are central to the hand's function. The ring finger, this finger is associated with commitment and connection, especially in the context of marriage. Pinky finger, though the smallest, it represents attention to detail and fairness, reminding us that no contribution is too small to matter. So the key message behind this is that just as the finger is vital to our hands' overall function, every team member has a unique role, which each part contributing is the best. We create a powerful and effective unit capable of achievement great things. This analogy reinforces the concept of teamwork, interdependence, and recognizing the value of diverse contributions. In closing, remember, resilience and commitment are the bedrock of effective leadership and successful recruiting. As you embark on this new chapter, let these principles guide you through every challenge and opportunity that comes your way. Your journey as a recruiter is just the beginning, and the impact you will have on those lives or those you lead will be profound. Congratulations once again on your remarkable achievement. Embrace your role with dedication and confidence, and continue to inspire others around you. Thank you all, and I wish you all the very best in the future endeavors. Thank you.
First Sergeant Hernandez, thank you for your time, your wisdom, and those inspiring words.